In a container, pure solvents establish a kind of equilibrium within the container space. Within the container, you're going to have particles that move from the liquid phase and into the gas phase. Now, there's only so much room within this container. So, as liquid molecules become gas particles, other particles that were already in the gas phase, they convert to the liquid phase. So a whole cycle or equilibrium is established. The gas above the liquid exerts a pressure on the container, and we refer to this as the vapor pressure. When we alter a pure solvent by adding something to it and turn it into a solution, we thus affect its chemical nature or behavior within this container. When solute particles dissociate, the solvent molecules are around the solute particles. The result of this attraction between solute and solvent molecule